Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransparentTradeSolutions.com on a Friday. This is 8th August. Yeah, again, lots of choppy trading all around, indexes back and forth. Let's get right into the charts. We can see here, let's start with the S&P. Yeah, the S&P is currently at the highs from a couple of days ago, actually from yesterday. So it's been basically just chopping around here. You can see we have formed a bit of a range here, kind of still edging higher. Key obviously going to be next week with the CPI numbers coming out. See if we can get above the 64.17 level, this kind of supply zone that we pulled back from, came down to that area, pulled right back up again. Probably going to challenge all-time highs. NASDAQ similarly, just kind of back and forth. That's actually been stronger for the obvious. Apple has been the standout this week. Just a big run. Literally just came out of nowhere a couple of days ago with the investment and all that. And so it looks like now we're probably headed. This is likely to touch all-time highs coming up here, 2377. That's a very high probability. We had some volatility in gold today. Just to mention here, we went right up to the top of the range and have pulled back with talks about bullion being tariffed. So that's going to be interesting to see if gold comes right back down to the 30. There's about even though the micro, there's about a $2,000 play here. So, again, pretty discernible range in gold. Rest of the market's just, kind of just going through, oil with the Russia situation could be getting volatile coming up next week as well. You can see it's headed right to 63. Let's see if that holds. And pretty much everything else, very, very quiet, kind of summer trading. VIX also below 15 is going to be another interesting data point. But again, this is very similar. I think we're headed into some more volatility next week. This week we had very little with regards to any kind of econ reports. We just had kind of earnings and so forth. They had a lot of stocks just getting smashed with earnings. So we'll have to see if that changes next week. I do expect volatility is going to kick back up again because we got CPI, PPI, we got an ag report. Speaking of which, see what happens here. So we'll see what happens. And again, I have a class coming up on Thursday of next week. Sign up for that. Sign up for the newsletter. Very interesting. I'm going to discuss implied volatility low. Everybody talks about high implied volatility. We're going to talk about low implied volatility. Okay. All right. Go ahead and sign up for that class or give me a thumbs up and we will see you next week. Take care.